Hi, my name is Kuzari Moasami Suparno and I'm 19 years old. I'm currently studying Diploma in Business Management at UNITAR University College of Kuala Lumpur. Now I'm semester 3 and I'm expecting my graduation date will be in April 2028 after I finish my internship. Regarding my experience, I have experience working as an assistant at a local restaurant in my area for 2 months before I study my diploma. From that working experience, I was able to develop several skills including communication skills, time management skills, and team working skills. While I was studying in my university, I participate a program organized by my university called UUCKL Fund Green Wall 2026 and received certificate of participation. From the working experience and skills I have, I would like to apply as an assistant marketing in your company. You can contact me through my email and my WhatsApp number.